Mr. Swick is going to talk to you a little bit about your daily schedule.
All right, this was emailed out to all of your parents last Friday, so you can take a look at it there on an email from your parents. You can ask them to look for the schedule in the Stoller Weekly. But here's a picture of it. Excuse me. So in Student View, you will have a schedule with all your teachers' names and electives and all that. Electives are the band class, the drama class, Spanish, choir, art, technology, drama. Those are called elective classes. And so those classes, along with your PE health teacher, and when that meets, that information is going to be in what's called Student View or Parent View. And so your parents have access to Parent View, but as a student, you have access to Student View. Your teachers will also be reaching out to you this week to talk about welcoming you to their core classes, their humanities, math, or science class. And so you'll be hearing more from your teachers this week in regards to that. But the way our schedule works is the morning is going to start with first period from 10 to 11. And then students are going to have a lunch break. And then when you come back from lunch, students will have a homeroom class or an advisory class. We're calling it homeroom, which will show up on your schedule as period 6. The teacher for this class should match your period 1 class. And so your homeroom is your core 1 class. For some of you, your first core class is going to be in period 1, and for some of you, it's going to be in period 2. So it's your first class that's math, science, or humanities. And so for some of you, the first class is going to be PE or art or one of those elective courses I discussed during first period. But for others, your first class might be humanities or science or math. And so pay attention to those 1s, 2s, and 3s and 4s next to your schedule on Student View, because that's the period you're going to meet with those teachers. So that being said, period 1's from 10 to 11, then you'll go to lunch. You'll come back from lunch and you'll have homeroom, which is a period of connection where you're trying to get to know your teacher's trying to get to know you, you're trying to get to know your peers. It's going to be a fun class. It might be a class where you discuss different things going on in the world and just have a time to kind of process through stuff, how CDL is going, how this online school is working for you, that kind of thing. It's going to start out pretty fun, get to know you type stuff, and then we might start talking more about what's going on for you and how can we help each other be more successful. Period 3, or period 2 from 2:30 to 1:30. Period 3, after a 10-minute break to go get some water or use the restroom, is from 10:40 to 2:40. And again, a 10-minute break for the same reason, to get you off a screen, rest your eyes a little bit, and then you'll have 4th period from 2:50 to 3:50. Now, I want to go back to PE and electives because on your schedule, it'll have meeting days. And so what a meeting day is, it's the day you meet in that class. And so let's take someone that has electives first thing in the morning, for example. If your elective falls on a Monday, Thursday, it's going to have an M and a TH next to the course. And so say you have art on a Monday, you're going to go to art on Monday, and then you're going to return to art again on Thursday. On Tuesday and Friday, you are going to do your PE health class. And so you'll have PE health on Tuesday, and then again, you'll have PE health on Friday. And so that's your schedule this year. Like I said, this is in the Stoller Weekly, which your parents all receive. And this information will be made available to you as well. But if you look at the Stoller Weekly, you can get a picture of what this schedule is. And we could post this in different places on our website as well, so you can access it.